air fryer going here. Baking the Franks RedHot Bites. Also gonna make a peanut butter banana shake. Okay, so we got everything here. That's Reese's, it's not regular. I love how you dog the Reese's peanut butter. It's like, I don't like it, but now you want a whole spoon of it. Oh Lord. Well, you're in my...
That's what you get from
Well, that's fine. That's fine. Being mean. How being mean calling you out on what you said? That's crazy. Get some ice cream here. That's blurry, and I do apologize. Very small islands we have. I wish I had real nuts. And, we used to make these with I don't know why I use this, because I want to bring out this old ass thing we got anyway. Look how old that is. That's so vintage. Didn't even use it. This was supposed to be for the peanut butter. Tis alright. Tis alright. Look at that. Reese's peanut butter. It's amazing. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be so thick. Bitch, get on me. Oh, you know, I should have done 1 scoop of the Reese's and 1 scoop of the regular. That's what I should have done. See this? Did you like the Reese's? That's good. Oh, a banana. I do not take the end of the banana. That's just a preference. Okay. That should be enough milk, right? I have no idea. That should be fine. One time for the one time. Not a whole lot, because this shit is whoa. So I'm just gonna do that. So I'm mad I didn't even record that shot, because I already took one. I just filled it back up to do it for the camera. But it's really good. It's amazing. That together, nice and pretty. We come get the chicken. They look burnt, but they are very much fall off. See, rip apart. Delicious. Gonna sauce these bad boys. Hey guys, Moki here, back with another mukbang. a mukbang. These are Franks RedHot Chicken Bites. And I'm all about my Franks RedHot. I put that shit on everything. So I got some, because obviously I want to try them. And I, as you saw in the video, air fried them. And they're covered in Franks RedHot buffalo wing sauce and some Hidden Valley Ranch. Chef's kiss. I'm a slut for chicken wings anyway. Especially buffalo. But got my peanut butter banana milkshake as well. I forgot my straw. Oh my god. Damn, I almost just choked on whipped cream. This mustache, I'm trying to tell y'all. Gets messy. Oh, that banana's just so good. Sorry, my long ass legs. I'll probably hear it raining outside too. Very peaceful. Very depressing, however you look at it. Oh my god. It's been so long since I mukbang. And I want to get back into doing it like, you know how I was doing it in the kitchen before, so you can see everything. Which I don't mind holding so you can see. Rain getting a little heavy. These are literally amazing. I'm definitely going to regret this later. But adding the buffalo wing sauce, I think, was perfection. That's the only kind of Frank's RedHot that I get now. Sometimes we do get the original. Like, I'm pretty sure we have a bottle of the original too. But the wing sauce, that's what I'm about. And let me tell you, it's so hot, I'm beginning to sweat. Eso no bueno. Pero muy delicioso. Okay, check that. That's a nice little package of them too, and the better because that shit was like $6 maybe. Maybe not that expensive. Well, let me tell you, the milkshake is a nice balance, counterbalance to the spicy. I give you that. A smart choice, I think. Listen, to be honest, I don't think I'll be able to eat all these in one sitting because my mouth is crying. They're really good though. I think next time, because of course I bought multiple packages, I think next time I'm not going to add buffalo. I'm just going to make it ranch. It is a good combo, but I think mixing the buffalo wing sauce with the, you know, the baked skin of it all and everything is like double homicide. Double homicide. It's good though. But I think I'm gonna run through and add some more ranch to it. 2, 4, 6, 8 more pieces to go. And I had 2, or 1, I think 1, because I tested to see if they were ready. Because I just see I didn't do it right. Like behind the scenes, my mom was like, bitch, you're supposed to put it on bake and let it preheat. And I was like, oh, well, I just air fried it. So we had to sit there and keep eyes on it. But it turned out great. Which is why they look burnt. But they're not. They're really, it was perfect timing. I think I left them in there for, there was 4 minutes left on the clock. I did 15. So 11 minutes. Cooked air fry style. It was perfect for moi. I don't know about y'all. But this, ever since I got out our Fruit Ninja, I think that's what it's called. I may have just made that up. I know it's a Ninja something. Our little blender, obsessed. All I want to do is make drinks. It is so damn good. I think I'm gonna pick up some peanuts and make it all fresh like that, instead of doing the peanut butter itself, because I've had both. But if you do peanuts in your milkshake, it's like the crystals and everything, just fat people shit, but that's okay. So I think that's it. I'm really trying to debate if I want to continue. You know what? I'll eat this one right here. See this little baby one? I'll eat that one, okay? See it right there. I do recommend these. 10 out of 10. Just don't add the buffalo. Unless you like your shit like hot like that, then do you, boo. Fuck it up. But that, maybe I should put this on YouTube. Maybe this should go on like the old Moki or something. OF Moki. Can I say that? OF Moki. They wouldn't censor that, would they? OF Moki. Anywho, hope you enjoy that. It's a little stepping back into the mukbang realm. I know that's where I was doing very nice before things went crazy. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you would try this. Let me know if you would eat these. What your ingredients would be to give it that pop. And let me know about milkshakes. Do you like homemade milkshakes? I don't know if you'd call this a milkshake, I guess. I mean, I blended it, but, you know, whatever. I don't know. I'm learning as I go here. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Moki out. Bye.